So you've downloaded the Tello app, which is the app right there, the Tello, the black app right there. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go back out to my internet. And I first want to find my Tello drone and click on that. Notice that it's connecting to my Tello drone. And in a moment, we'll see it connected. And now it's good to go. And so it's fine for it to change to no internet connection. So we're going to go back and open the Tello app again. Notice that my drone is working. We can see the light. Up in the left-hand corner, we'll want to take off. So the drone is going to take off. We can see it flying. And then we can have the drone go up. We can have it go back, side to side. And that's what all these buttons are doing that I'm clicking on. And then you can land the drone by clicking here and tap to land, and the drone will land. Now up here, you can have different flight modes when you click on the drone. So it will teach you how to do these different maneuvers with the drone. And then here is where I can take a picture with the drone. It will save to your camera roll. I can record a video if I'd like to as well. And then under the settings, I can make sure it's on the correct Wi-Fi. I can make the speed slow or fast. I recommend that you run on slow. And then here is measurements. At 20%, it tells me when my battery is low. I have the altitude set at 10, so it doesn't go any higher than that. And then I have it automatically on the bit rate, and the photo quality is normal. And I can change the measurement from metric to imperial if you're going to use a measurement system. Clicking on the green button to the right is a beginner's guide. So it'll walk you through exactly what all those buttons are when you're manually flying the drone. The battery, the Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth, the speed, and the height of the drone will show up there as well. And then these are all the different settings that I just showed you: the takeoff and land, flight modes, play back a video if I've taken a picture, switch between photo and video, and then take a picture or stop and start recording. And then to enter the flight modes menu, to click on that, like I showed you, which is a way that you can learn the different ways that the drone can fly. And then installing propellers and detaching the propellers, just like in the video that I created for you as well. And then installing the propellers as well. So this is just the manual use and flying of a drone, not the coding part. You can only do this through an iPad app, an Android app, which is Tello Edu, or those are the only ways to fly is through some type of iPad, iPhone, or Android tablet. Otherwise, you'll be coding, and I'll show you that in the next video. But always make sure that each drone that you are going to fly, that you first fly it in manual mode. Even if you don't allow your students to do it, you do connect in manual mode to each single drone. That will get it so that your drone will fly better. It'll get it synced into your Wi-Fi. So make sure that each drone flies manually like that. Again, very simple. Connect it, take off, fly it up, and then put it back down. But just make sure you're connecting through the app.